नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, ये MS एक्सेल क्लास 4 है। इसमें हम MS एक्सेल की शॉर्टकट की से रिलेटेड 20 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, आइए शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज विच शॉर्टकट की इज यूज टू अप्लाई आउटलाइन बॉर्डर्स? इज इट कंट्रोल प्लस शिफ्ट प्लस 7, शिफ्ट प्लस F1, कंट्रोल प्लस राइट एरो की or shift plus 7? So right answer of question number 1 is 1, control plus shift plus 7. Question number 2, which shortcut key is used to change the font size? Is it shift plus F1 or shift plus P or control plus shift plus P or control plus right arrow key? So right answer of question number 2 is number 3, control plus shift plus P. Question number 3, which shortcut key is used to format number in the time format? Is it shift plus @ or control plus shift plus @ or shift plus F1 or control plus right arrow key? So right answer of question number 3 is number 2, control plus shift plus @. Question number 4, which shortcut key is used to edit a comment? Is it control plus right arrow key or shift plus F1 or shift plus F2 or control plus shift? So right answer of question number 4 is number 3, shift plus F2. Question number 5, which key is used to insert rows or columns? Is it shift plus spacebar, control plus right arrow key, control plus shift or control plus shift plus equal to? So right answer of question number 5 is number 4, control plus shift plus equal to. Question number 6, which shortcut key is used to insert new worksheet? Is it control plus shift plus F3, control plus shift plus F6, control plus shift plus F9 or Alt plus shift plus F1? So right answer of question number 6 is Alt plus shift plus F1. Question number 7, which key is used to edit the highlighted cell? Is it F6, F3, F2 or F9? So right answer of question number 7 is number 3, F2. Question number 8, in Excel, which shortcut key is used to go to the formulas tab? Is it Alt plus M, control plus M, control plus C or control plus B? So right answer of question number 8 is number 1, Alt plus M. Question number 9, control plus dash is used to open a file from the directory. Is it A, B, X or O? So right answer is number 4, control plus O is used to open a file from the directory. Question number 10, in MS Excel, which shortcut key is used to open the macro dialog box? Is it control plus F8, Alt plus F8, control plus F or Alt plus F? So right answer of question number 10 is number 2, Alt plus F8. Question number 11, in Excel, to open the format cell dialog box, press Alt plus I, control plus shift plus I, Alt plus B or control plus 1? So right answer of question number 11 is number 4, control plus 1. Question number 12, which is example of formula in MS Excel? Is it sum A1 A2 or equal to A1 plus A2 or equal to add A1 A2 or A1 plus A2? So right answer of question number 12 is number 2, equal to A1 plus A2. Question number 13, which of the following keyboard shortcut can be used for creating a chart from the selected cells? Is it F1, F2, F7 or F11? So right answer of question number 13 is number 4, F11. Question number 14, which key is used to insert the current date? Is it shift plus F7, shift plus Alt plus T, shift plus F12 or control plus semicolon? So right answer of question number 14 is number 4. Question number 15, in MS Excel, what is the shortcut key to hide the entire row? Is it control plus H or control plus R or control plus 9 or control plus hyphen? So right answer of question number 15 is number 3, control plus 9. Question number 16, to drag a selected range of data to another worksheet in the same workbook, use the shift key, Alt key, tab key or control key. So right answer of question number 16 is number 4, control key. Question number 17, dash function key is used to modify the contents of a cell. Is it F1, F2, F7 or F12? So right answer of question number 17 is number 2, F2. Question number 18, to select entire row which shortcut key is used? Is it shift plus space, control plus space, control plus n or control plus hyphen? So right answer of question number 18 is number 1, shift plus space. Question number 19, which of the following commands in Office 2007 can be used to go to the first cell in the current row? Is it tab or shift plus tab or escape plus home or shift plus home? So right answer of question number 19 is shift plus home. Question number 20, which shortcut key is used to add new worksheet? Is it shift plus F1 or control plus shift or shift plus F11 or control plus right arrow key? So right answer of question number 20 is shift plus F11. सो फ्रेंड्स ये थे आज के 20 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। फ्रेंड्स अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। और फ्रेंड्स आप अगर जीके पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल HPSSB जीके को सब्सक्राइब करें, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। थैंक्स फ्रेंड फॉर वॉचिंग।